today I want to talk about how I made nearly 400k. It was in a span of like 3 months. It's an old job here that kind of failed, not gonna lie. I would kind of consider it as a success at the same time because, I mean, we banked maybe about 100k out of this. So yeah, I mean, eventually the shop failed. What I'm doing is basically same as dropshipping because I don't see the product myself. Everything I do is like I send the product from China to like wherever my customer is, even if it's gonna be US, even if it's gonna be UK. But yeah, idea behind it's same as the dropshipping. It's same strategy, but it's a bit of a different approach. If you have like pictures from AliExpress just taken on your website and reselling same product as an AliExpress, like it's not gonna work. Like you really gotta put work into this, and it's not like you create website, you basically copy paste the listing from the AliExpress and you start selling. No, it doesn't work like that. By the way, I'm not selling any courses, so don't worry about it. To sum up my 5 years of knowledge into like a couple of minutes for this video, don't copy paste products from AliExpress. When someone comes on your website, and even when you go to your website, they should have feel that it's really a brand. It's not like something just slapped together really quick. You gotta have like really nice logo, really nice landing page. Your products should actually solve the problem, and it shouldn't be like just like the cool gadget. If you're kind of advertising a product that's already highly selling on Amazon, like basic product, whatever, you won't be successful, man. Like you need to like put more thought in it, put more work in it. Maybe I had like about 20 failed shops before I had my first success. This one wasn't my first success, by the way. It's my second. I was also doing this, like just copy pasting pictures from AliExpress, like putting in on website, making it seem like it's really cool, but in reality, it wasn't real solving any problems. To be honest, like it was kind of shit. So then the first successful product I had was this small device. I was advertising it as like to stop the snoring, be more energized in the morning because you breathe at night, like whatever. Yeah, and it worked. Like we made about 10k with it, but we had lots of chargebacks, we had lots of returns. I mean, yeah, it basically failed because in reality it was really uncomfortable. It was Chinese shit in the end. So then our first product that actually succeeded was this store. It's no longer operational because some issues with supplier. We had some issues with Chinese people came in, trademarked our product. They put like hundreds and hundreds of listings on Amazon, and when we were selling for $15, they were selling it for 10. And yes, they basically killed us. It is what it is. Like I'm not even like sad about it or anything. Like the store we have right now, it's like much more in line with what products we want to be selling. So if you're saying dropshipping died in 2020, this video might be for you. You need your logo, your branding, colors. So when you go on your website, the feel you should have it that it's actual brand, that you have a bunch of social proof. Even if it's AI, it's gonna work anyway. Like everything about your landing page should look perfect. Product should be perfect in terms of like actually solve the problem and not like just hallucinating the problem, if it makes sense. Like for example, I had this one product I remember. This is one of my first products I was selling, and I was so confident. It looks so cool. Like you can go in a gym, like use it there, whatever. But the reality is like, who the fuck would take this bottle in the gym? And everybody does have the blender at home. Plus, also wasn't that good of a blender as well. So I was basically hallucinating the problem, if it makes sense. Like, yeah, you should have the good product that actually solves good problem and not like hallucinated problem. Your product should also actually be legit. You should actually be standing behind your words. Also, your ads. To make an ad, if you have a question how to come up with a good ad, genuinely never been easier. Like, come on a meta ad library, United States, all ads, and type your keyword here. Look for your competitors. You can literally see what ads they are running and which ad is successful. So all you gotta do is like recreate the successful ad. Just for an example, if we type back pain, yeah, like 50,000 net, it's too much. Like you need to be like finding a niche, finding a product that's not really that much saturated.
This is why your neck pain never goes away.
This product, let's check it out, neck pain. They have this listicle here, and you go here. They've been running ads for 300 days basically, and look what they got. Honestly, their website isn't like crazy hard to build. You just need to make sure it actually looks branded and it's not like just looking like a dropshipping store. I'm pretty sure if you go to AliExpress, you can find like not the exact, maybe it's their actual brand, but really similar product. Like also use this tool, similar web. Search for a winning ads. Like make sure it's been running for a good amount of time. Like maybe I would say if it's been running for like 1 or 2 months plus, it's already considered as a winner basically. So yeah, just don't download it and use it as your own because you're just gonna get your ad account banned basically, and you won't even have any sales by the way. So yeah. Just use it as an example. Basically, scan your competitors, apply for your product. That's so easy. Again, for example, like you're searching for your product, you're not sure if it's gonna work or not, if it's like too saturated, whatever. I mean, I want to teach you how to validate. For example, this product, right? So this product, you like the idea, you decided that you want to test it before like testing any products. Like you should validate it that it's actually selling and it's not oversaturated. What you want to do is like installs. Like check it out. See, it's exactly the same product. 200 for the cloud, 3K bought in past months. Okay, this is not the same sales. This one is 10K bought in the last month. Like yeah, I mean, good amount of number to see here. It would be somewhere between 1 and 3K. Maybe 10K might be too saturated. Even if you go to ad library now. So whatever product you use to make sure it actually works, you want to validate on Amazon and ad library. Like let's type installs here too. Installs. There you go. I know this brand. 60 days. If you now, for example, you saw this brand, you type in steppers, click there. 900 ads. You know this product works. Like you can even try to compete with them right now, but I wouldn't really suggest it because I feel like they own the market, if it makes sense. Like they might be too big to compete with. It's already clear that this product works 100%. But if you're not still sure, like you can come here. I'm gonna link this plugin in my Discord. Like 750K monthly visitors. It's a lot. If I can roughly estimate, they might be making about 2 million a month, maybe in that range, maybe more, maybe less, like whatever. I mean, of course, it's not this simple. I don't want to portray it as a really simple thing you can do overnight. Spend 1 week for product research, spend another week for building the brand, building the landing page, making sure you're solving different problems with it, right? For example, foot pain, plantar fasciitis, I don't even knee pain. Maybe you advertise it as like when you wear it, like knee, your knee doesn't have this impact anymore, or like whatever. Like you should have like, for example, 5 different landing pages, all five addressing different problems. Same for ads. Let me show you. Like, so I had this quick graph that I did for the longer video that I'm recording right now. So how I like to do it is like I have one CBO campaign on Meta ads. Like if you don't know what I'm talking about, just skip this part, whatever. But and I have one ad set for one problem, one angle, and it's like all the ads I have about plantar fasciitis. I put it in this. Ad set. All the ads I have about like other foot pain, for the knee pain, for the calf pain, like separate your ad sets by topic, by angle, whatever you call it, and like put all the ads in the same ad set. So this ads should be pointing to your landing page that has it talks about this problem. Easy as that, like really easy to do it. But thing is like you gotta be investing a bunch of time. You also need to be prepared to fail lots of time because it's not like you gonna like wake up tomorrow, you instantly gonna find one good product, one good problem. It takes time to learn what works, what doesn't. When I used to put low effort in it, like make quick ads on the research, also don't use AI. Go on Reddit, research yourself, to do everything yourself because honestly, I would say AI misses so much of the information that needle mover, like the game changer. So yeah, I don't know, man. Like if I was starting over and I had to like create ad and create product images, create like assets, whatever. Like you basically have two options: order the products itself. Would highly recommend it. Taking the photos yourself, making like basically making ads in real life. What you also can do is learn how to use Kubeflow, make AI UGC ads, make product images with AI, plus a mix of some real life assets, making this Disney style. Let me actually show you. This is all AI.
Light up mindful again. Cute. Your hobble. I'm your partner pillow. Miss when bedtime.
Widgets that collect dust.
Only thing you shouldn't do is go on Google, go on YouTube, like steal other people's assets, even using AliExpress photos, because it's not like I'm telling you because the ethical thing. I'm telling you because it's not gonna work basically. Like, for example, you found a product and you decide to use videos from YouTube, it just wouldn't work. Like, yeah, good luck. Remember, you're gonna fail a lot, but failing is part of it. So if you don't give up, you're gonna eventually achieve the success. Also, be ready to spend a lot of money. Make sure to join my Discord. I know for a fact lots of other people had success way easier than me. What I mean, like, they could even achieve success with really low effort. They got really lucky, but don't rely on luck. Put in as much work as you can. Like, don't be lazy. This amount in the ecom is basically nothing. It's just a rookie number, to be honest. The things I've seen with my own eyes, I've seen people spend like 500,000 a day, like one of the top spenders, I would say, whatever. But I know people who spend like 100K a day. It's insane. Like, ecom is insane. Yeah, just don't give up. Just do your work, do everything properly. Don't be lazy, and hopefully it's gonna do something. It's gonna reward you. But yeah, I'm joining my Discord. Don't forget to subscribe, join my Discord, whatever. We can have a talk there if you have any questions. And yeah, bye.